Are you going to make a necklace with your pop beads? You're just staring, honey. Do it. Do what you just did. Show me. We'll show it to Grandma and Pop. Uh-huh. What about a necklace? How do you make it a necklace? That's not a necklace. That's a very big bracelet. Honey, it's a very big bracelet.
That's not a bracelet. That's pop beads.
Look at those two dolls on that bed. They're pop beads?
Yeah.
We'll put them on your head. Could it be a hat?
No. No. It's
Ooh.
like a ballerina.
No, hula hoop? Oh!
Popped.
Popped. Hmm.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Oh, Pop.
Let's try it again.
Let's try again.
Good idea.
Yeah.
Okay, show me again. Slow. Pop. Isabella, show me your pretty room. Did Chia hate to make your room pretty?
No.
No. Who did?
Yes.
She did. Yes, yes. And what's on your wall? What's on your walls? Isabella. Come here. Not interested. Lots of ladybugs. Bye, Julia. Julia, you want to smile for Mama?
Mommy,
Julia, I'm over here. Julia. Julia, I'm over here. So not interested. You turned off the light, so now it's dark? Yes,
No.
that's right. I don't know. She's not in her stroller. There you are, baby. You're going to get a boppy? Okay. Bye.